efficient management of compliance, safety, and risk is a core priority at every level in both offshore and onshore helicopter companies. More efficient, integrated operations are safer operations. Gale Insight transforms spreadsheet-based, fragmented processes and structures and helps you to demonstrate compliance, propagate a culture of reporting and safety, achieve consistency in investigations and related communication, and engage staff and stakeholders beyond the flight safety team. High integrity, strong governance, and demonstrable safety are vital ingredients for the reputation and brand of all aviators. This makes it easier to win and retain customers such as insurance companies and oil firms. Improved productivity through better business processes for compliance and safety management increases turnover and creates savings. Improved analytics and reporting provide visibility to management that compliance and integrity are being maintained. Helicopter operators use Gale Insight to deliver a compliance and safety management system that maximizes efficiency and productivity. The system is complete and covers mobile working, integrated risk modeling and management, safety reporting, monitoring of safety performance indicators, competence and training, audit, standard operating procedures and safety cases, incidents and occurrences. Helicopter operators use Gale Insight to proactively manage safety and operational risk. Risk modeling and mobile reporting are essential for line operations safety audits, where auditors collect safety data on flights, such as crew performance, environmental conditions, operational complexity, and procedural errors.